Hello and welcome to my channel, friends. My name is Lynn, and I have a little sneaky peek project for you featuring the Crafty Stamp Company's Crafty Crew Kit March 2025. This just went out on pre-order, so I'll leave links to everything in the description box below, but let me tell you a little bit about my project and then a lot about the Crafty Crew Kit. So I did already pick out some pattern papers, 3 of them in fact, because I'm following along with Kendra's card challenge sketch number 11, and I am kind of winging it a little bit with the little stripes on the 2 sides, but I did follow the pattern paper pieces pretty well. Now with a sketch like this, because it has so many pieces to it, I feel like it's going to be kind of hard to actually get this positioned the way that I would want. So what I already did was color up all my critters. Yes, I'm a sloppy colorist. I missed the paper and I hit my hand. That's just marker. That's not an injury. But what I'm going to do is with all of these pieces, I am going to actually taped them together. All the pattern papers I've actually already taped together, but these additional strips on the 2 sides, I'm gonna tape those together as well, and that way it's going to basically be all one piece, and then I can use it as one piece, and it'll be a lot easier to position onto my card base. So as I continue to put this together, let me tell you a little bit about what you will find in the Crafty Crew Kit. So there will be 2 4x6 stamp sets, and these 2 darling crafty mice come from one of them. And this is actually kind of new, and it's for the regular Crafty Stamp Company releases as well. They've started putting out crafty cuts. Now, these are matching SVG files that you can use to actually cut out your stamped images if you have something like a Brother Scan and Cut or a Cricut. So what you could do is use the cut files and cut it out of your paper, and then just stamp right onto that cutout. So really amazing and super convenient, because then you don't need to buy coordinating dies. You don't need to rely on the scan and cut feature, because I don't know about you guys, but my scan and cut sometimes it's a little bit off, and it doesn't really have an even border all the way around. And I would say more often than not, it doesn't. It's always a little bit shifted to one side. And then as well in the Crafty Crew Kit, you'll get a 6x6 paper pad, gorgeous, gorgeous papers. And the 2 I picked out that have the crafty sentiments on them, I think are amazing. I love those. Those are probably my favorites. Then you'll get a 6x6 stencil and a fun surprise little bonus accessory as well. So all of that is going to come straight to your door in a mesh zipper pouch, which is really great because you can use it to store everything that comes in your Crafty Crew Kit. But I know a lot of us have our own storage system for our stamps. And so if you're not storing your stamps and papers in there, these little pouches are really great for projects. If you want to store cards, if you want to travel and maybe pack a couple of supplies with you, maybe put some markers in there. If you're running errands and you know you're going to be out and about and maybe having to wait on people, you can pack some markers, stamp out some images, and it's a really nice convenient size zipper pouch. I really, really like it a lot. And so everything in this kit is going to be exclusively available in the kit. So if you like what you see, you're going to want to pre-order. You only have until February 15th to place your pre-order. So once you have a chance to check out the website, see some inspiration, you're going to want to get your pre-order in, because these cute little stamps, the paper pad, the stencil, they are not going to be part of the regular release after the 15th of February. So the only people who are going to ever get these to craft with will be the people who pre-order. So definitely take a good look at what comes in the kit. And if you like what you see, go ahead and put that pre-order in, and then it'll be on its way to you um, come March. And so really, really exciting. Now, the nice thing about this kit is that there is the option to just get a one-off box. If you love this kit and the theme of it, then you can just get this kit the one time. But you can actually save yourself some money, and I think it's you'll save yourself $10 if you actually subscribe to receive the kit, and then you don't have to worry about missing the pre-order window when the next kit becomes available. You'll already be on the subscriber list, so it's going to come to your door automatically. And what I really like is that these Crafty Crew kits are starting off as like an every other month release. So it's really budget friendly, great value for money, and you're going to have plenty of time to craft with your kit before the new one comes. And that's one of the things that I really appreciate about how Christina and Meadow are approaching this subscription, because so often when you get new product every single month, it can be kind of hard to really keep up and have the time to really, dive in and get, a lot of use out of those products. And so I really love that their release cycle is starting off as every other month. So we had the January kit earlier, and this is going to be the March kit. And so, all of that I'll leave a link to in the description box below. It will be an affiliate link. So if you do end up making a purchase, I will get a little commission from the Crafty Stamp Company. So big thank you in advance if you do end up making a purchase. And I also want to say a big thank you to the Crafty Stamp Company for sponsoring the Creator Collective. Christina was one of our very first sponsors back before we even had a name for ourselves. So I really want to thank Christina for giving our team the opportunity to craft with her new subscription kit. There's going to be a playlist link in my description box below. And as my friends publish their video inspiration featuring the March Crafty Crew Kit, you'll be able to find all of those in that playlist. And I'm sure Christina's team is going to be adding their videos to that playlist as well. So you're going to see a lot of tutorials, a lot of inspiration videos, unboxing videos. And if you're ever looking for inspiration, that's the list to check out. So I'm almost done with my card here, but then I realized that I actually have not put any Love from Lizzie's pinstripe stickers on this card yet. And I realized that it's not too late. I wanted to definitely get a couple of strips in there. I thought maybe I was actually going to use the silver strips going vertically, but instead what I decided to do was I'm gonna use the pink strips, and I want to really define that center pattern paper, the one that this has got to be my favorite one, the one that says people who love to craft are always the best people. So I'm gonna put just the thinnest of pinstripe stickers right along the edges, the top and bottom edges, so that it really defines where that pattern ends and where the next one picks up, especially since the next one has a lot of open white space. And so it's really hard to tell. There isn't a strong definitive border for that one, or between those two papers. And so these little pinstripe stickers really help to clean up that edge a little bit. And I think it helps to actually call a little bit more attention to that sentiment. And even though it's not the actual sentiment on my card, because I did stamp one out, I think you could use it as the sentiment on your card because it's so funny and it's so true. So this kit has been so well curated. It's just really, really lovely. So what you'll find is one of the stamp sets is called Crafty Friends. And so you'll find some crafty characters and lots of little graphics and crafty supplies. And then the one that I'm crafting with today is the Crafty Mice. And in this one, you have three different little mice. I showed you two of them, so you have to wait for my unboxing to see the third one. And okay, so this stamp set is actually pretty darn amazing. So if you've ever gotten a card that had like a custom handmade by let's say LV Handcrafted, for example, those are often custom stamps that you have to buy yourself and get made. Well, in this stamp set, you have a really cute circular handmade with love by, and there's a blank space so that you can just sign your name, and at the bottom it says just for you. So the complete sentiment would read handmade with love by, let's say I filled it in with Lynn, just for you. It's really, really amazing. How fun is that comes included. So I when I saw that, I thought, oh my gosh, that is such an awesome that by itself is so cool. You're gonna get so much use out of that. So I hope that you enjoyed my card today. I'm gonna leave links to the Crafty Crew Kit in the description box below, and as well, I'll leave a link to the playlist where you'll find even more inspiration throughout the pre-order period as the Creator Collective group starts to post their videos. Thank you so much for checking out my video today, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye!